What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys an update on the brand new copper exploration stock that we brought to you guys just earlier this week called CAVU Mining. CAVU Mining's put out two interesting press releases, so I'm going to be going over those press releases with you guys, along with taking a look at the stock and simply just keeping you guys up to date on what's going on with the company. Since we released the video, the stock's had some really awesome performance, and I also want to highlight that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the update. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so don't forget to check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So let's get into the update, guys. The last thing I will say is if you do support me in the channel and all the videos, kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time and it helps my videos so very much, along with dropping me a comment down below, letting me know what you think about the company, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. So let's get straight into it. The first thing I wanted to highlight was the fact that we did drop that video just 2 days ago on Departures Capital. You can see it right there. So now let's talk about the performance of the stock over the last 5 trading days. And as we can see here, the stock has been on a nice little run with some volume. It does have a 52-week range of 10 cents to 50 cents and just an $8.82 million market cap. So the stock did trade 154,000 shares as of the close. That is on Thursday, the 23rd of September. And over the past 6 months, the stock is up substantially. If we take a look at the 1-year chart as well, the stock has been on this nice, steady uptrend. It's managed to hold that 38 to 44 cent level. And by the looks of it, we're in for a breakout. So fingers crossed. Of course, we can't predict the future. You know, these videos are not financial advice, but simply just commenting on the recent performance, and it has been pretty nice. So let's get into the most recent press release for you guys. So CAVU Mining announces addition of Alan Edzerza to advisory board. Mr. Alan Edzerza has broad experience negotiating with First Nations, both federal and provincial governments, and industry across Canada, and is a proud member of the Tahltan First Nation. So let's go over his highlights. Mr. Edzerza has been a senior negotiator for the past 25 years, serving as lead negotiator for the Tahltan Central Council, chief negotiator of the Kaska Nations, and held several senior positions in INAC Government of Canada. He is currently leading mining reform discussions for the government of BC on behalf of the First Nation Energy and Mining Council. He was previously advisor and chief negotiator for the Premier and Cabinet of Governments of British Columbia and the Yukon. So Mr. Edzerza, he's clearly, an important man. So through his company, Volta Solutions brings important experience to the company. Mr. Edzerza has negotiated agreements between industry First Nations and provincial governments of BC and the Yukon, along with the government of Canada. His insight and networks with the First Nations across Canada will be beneficial to CAVU's future exploration programs, First Nations engagements, and future acquisitions. So let's hear what he had to say. So through our discussions, I have come to see CAVU as a company that sets itself apart from other exploration companies through a proactive approach with First Nations and by taking ESG seriously. A large part of First Nation culture is about sustainable land use and resource sharing, and CAVU has demonstrated a willingness to become an industry leader in this respect. I look forward to my involvement with the company. Furthermore, we are excited to grow the company with Mr. Edzerza's addition to the advisory board, stated Jap Verbas, CEO of CAVU. Mr. Edzerza brings an important First Nation perspective to our company, and we are honored to be working together in building a collaborative approach to sustainable and responsible mineral exploration in Canada. Just a brief summary of CAVU for anyone who might not know, but we do have that full introductory video on the channel if you are interested in the company. So CAVU Mining is a mining company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral projects containing metals used in green technologies and the renewable energy sector. So they do have a focus on copper. The company is currently focused on the exploration of its Kimimat copper project in British Columbia and continues to evaluate complementary mineral projects in mining-friendly jurisdictions. So I quickly wanted to go over this press release that was put out just 2 days ago. So CAVU is pleased to provide an overview of the 2021 drilling campaign on the Hopper Copper Gold project located in the Yukon. The Hopper project is in the traditional territory of the Champagne and Ashishkik First Nations. We'll quickly talk about the highlights. So the skarn, now named Copper Castle, mineralized footprint expanded from 433,000 meters squared to 507,000 meters squared. That's a 16% increase. Visual inspection indicates mineralized skarn horizons intersected in every hole at Copper Castle. Mineralized margin of a porphyr intrusion intersected from surface to 200-meter depth through testing of 3 complementary data sets with 1 hole And finally, drilling results are expected to be returned from MS Analytical Langley, BC soon. So we should have some drill results soon, which is pretty exciting, guys. Of course, for an exploration company, drill results are very important. So, we'll definitely be putting out another video covering that. You can head on over to CAVUmining.com for more information, where you can find, information about management, projects. If you are interested in learning more about the company, their investor presentation is available right there on their website. However, the video that I made, the introductory video, I do go over the key points when it comes to their investor presentation in that video. So head on over to Departures Capital, which is our main channel for, an easy 8-minute watch when it comes to CAVU Mining. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will be bringing you more updates as the company puts out more news. I'm excited to cover this, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Drop us a comment down below. Let us know what your thoughts are. And last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, that's it for the video. We'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.